Hey, this is Eddie with Multi-Man Services. We're here at a home in Madison, Wisconsin. As you can see behind me, we got a lot of the green algae, a lot of mold developing. And what we'll do to preserve the life of the shingles, the siding, is do a gentle detergent wash. It's an algicide-based cleaning system, and we can actually restore the original look of the way this roof was meant to be. And we'll clean off all that algae, all the lichen and the moss, and before we leave, all that will be cleaned up real nicely. And so if you see the siding here, our process, essentially what we do is apply the cleaner at low pressure, no more pressure than a garden hose, and let it dwell. You don't have to worry about any damage to your home, and super effective process in getting that cleaned up. And that'll be all sides of the house. The siding, soffit, fascia, and the gutters. Based on the way this house has been slightly neglected over time, hey, it happens, we get busy. I would suggest the happiest wash package for this siding and the gutters here, and our happy roof package, which essentially will clean it. We'll do a full roof tune-up. We're going to button up any nail pops, any rubber boots. We're going to go ahead and fix those quickly, and seal up any leak-prone areas on your roof. And then after that, on another dry day, we'll come back and we'll apply a conditioning treatment to the shingles. Which will actually add another 5 years life to the roof. It'll give you a 5-year transferable warranty to the next owners or whoever lives here. You don't have to worry about replacing your roof, so super cool. And while we're here, it won't take us much to power wash the stoop there and apply a cleaner to the concrete. So if that's that you're interested in having us do, don't hesitate to let me know. My name is Eddie, owner operator, and I'm here to serve you at a high level. So look forward to working with you, and you can reach me on my cell, 815-520-6020. Take a look at this quick informational video about roof rejuvenation and how you can help extend the life of your roof and save yourself a lot of money. Thanks.
There is never a good day on your roof. Temperatures can climb to over 140 degrees, causing the roof to expand. Passing rain showers quickly cool the roof, creating rapid contraction, known as thermal shock. Your asphalt roof must remain flexible to withstand these extreme stresses. Oil within the asphalt allows for this flexibility. Depending on region, a roof begins breaking down between 7 and 10 years of age because the oil begins drying out of the asphalt, causing the roof to become increasingly brittle over time. With loss of flexibility, it starts to crack and begins slowly breaking apart, the same way cracks eventually turn into a pothole in an asphalt road. Maxx is a 100% safe, all-natural food-grade oil. The spray-applied treatment quickly penetrates roof shingles, restoring flexibility and waterproofing protection. Each treatment is guaranteed to last 5 years and comes with a transferable warranty. And because Maxx treatments are repeatable, a roof can be greatly extended past its expected life. Treatment is quick, clean, and very affordable. Get more life for less money, guaranteed with Maxx, a powerful fusion of science and nature.